Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's discuss how to fix Bluetooth issues on your XIAOMI 15T. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the standard troubleshooting steps. The first step that I would recommend you doing is toggle Bluetooth. So swipe from the top right corner of your screen to access Quick Control Center, and you have to turn the Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. What is highly recommended to do is restart both your XIAOMI phone and the Bluetooth accessory that you're trying to connect to. Also, let's go to settings and go to Bluetooth section right here and find specific device that you want to connect to. Then tap this arrow icon to access its details, and then you have to tap forget, or it could name as Unpair button, and basically repair to this device as if it is like a new connection. Also, if those steps do not help you, you have to reset your network settings. This basically will reset all network configurations, including your Wi-Fi, your mobile data, and also your Bluetooth, to their default factory state. So after doing that, you have to re-enter the password to your Wi-Fi and also connect once again to your Bluetooth device, but that's not the big deal. Let me show you how to reset your network settings. So open settings application and then go to connection and sharing section. Also, it could be named as more connectivity options like I have on my device, and then you have to scroll until you see reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth section. So open it, and at the bottom select reset settings button. Then you have to confirm with your password and confirm by tapping OK button, and then you will have to complete your reset. Wait until it's completed, and as I said earlier, re-enter your Wi-Fi password and also reconnect to your Bluetooth device. So after completing those steps, your Bluetooth issues should be solved. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.